Have you ever left the gym feeling like you worked really hard, but weeks later, nothing has changed? Here's something that might surprise you. The problem might not be how hard you're working. It might be how you're doing the exercise itself. Small mistakes in your form can quietly cancel out all your effort, and most people don't even realize they're making them. Today, we're going to look at 3 exercises that almost everyone gets wrong, and more importantly, exactly how to fix them so you can finally start seeing the results you deserve. Exercise 1. The squat. Probably the most common exercise out there, and also one of the most misunderstood. A lot of people squat by pushing their knees forward and letting their heels lift off the ground. This puts way too much pressure on the knees and takes the work away from the muscles that should actually be doing the job, your legs and your glutes. The fix is simple. Before you even bend your knees, push your hips back first, like you're about to sit down in a chair that's slightly behind you. Keep your weight in your heels the whole time, and imagine trying to spread the floor apart with your feet. This small shift changes everything. Suddenly, you'll feel your thighs and glutes working instead of your knees complaining. Exercise 2. The push-up. This one looks simple, but so many people let their hips sag toward the floor, turning it into more of a back exercise than a chest and arm exercise. The fix here is to think about your body as one solid plank from your head to your heels. Tighten your stomach like someone is about to poke you in the belly, and squeeze your glutes slightly. This keeps your hips in line with your shoulders and instantly makes the push-up more effective, even if you can only do a few at first. Exercise 3. The plank. Speaking of planks, the biggest mistake is letting the hips sag down or pushing them too high in the air. Both positions take the work away from your core and constrain your lower back. Instead, imagine a straight line running from your head down to your feet. Squeeze your abs, keep your hips level, and breathe normally instead of holding your breath. It's not always about working harder or adding more weight. Sometimes the biggest improvement comes from doing the same exercise with better form.